Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and power. Plug the wireless pad into a proper wall adapter rated for the pad. Once powered, clean dust from both phone and pad so coils contact. Make sure you position the pad on a flat, stable surface. Once done, enable any phone wireless charging setting if present. Place your phone on the charger centered over the coil area. You should see an LED or on-screen confirmation. If not, nudge the phone slightly until charging begins. Now focus on alignment and performance. You want the phone's internal coil centered over the pad. Once you find the sweet spot, the charging indicator should stabilize. Make sure cases, cards, or magnets aren't between devices because they reduce efficiency. Remove them and try again. If your pad supports higher wattage, use the correct adapter to achieve faster charging, but watch device temperature. If it gets hot, reposition or pause charging. Also make sure firmware or accessory apps aren't limiting wireless power. Finish by letting the device reach the level you want. Once charged, remove it to prevent extra heat stress. For regular overnight use, prefer pads that regulate temperature and slow charging near 100%. If charging doesn't start, don't panic. First confirm the wall adapter and cable work with another device. Then remove any case, realign the phone, and check the pad's LED for errors. If needed, restart your phone and try again. One quick troubleshooting tip: swapping to another compatible adapter often reveals where the problem lies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.